Boy, we need some rain. But geez, this much? Stay tuned. I'll talk about how much rain I got. Thanks for tuning in. That's thunder. Got rolling thunder. So, last 2 weeks been nothing but rain. So this video, we're going to get a little wet. Show you some of the damage. You already seen some of it, but we've had record rainfall, so we're going to talk a little bit about that. So, jeez, rain. Roads are washed out. The counties nearby, Apache and Navajo, they've got sandbags. People who have been flooded out. We got evacuations. We've got road closures everywhere. We've got flash floods like crazy. Because see, what's happening is we're getting like 2 inches of rain in within the hour, and so you're getting, you know, a wash that goes from dry to 10 feet of water in seconds, and then a few hours, like 6 hours, 8 hours later, when the runoff is done, then you could drive through it because there's no water now. But anyhow, so I'm getting a little wet here, so I'm going to go inside, show you some pictures. I have, hopefully they don't notice and get mad, but I stole a couple of pictures from Facebook groups, so they were public groups, so hopefully that's okay. Or private groups, I don't even know. Anyhow, they were just pictures of a flooded area, and then one of my neighbors actually did a lot of the pictures because his place really got flooded. So we all been talking about what we can do, but we've had a record. This is, yeah. In fact, I'll show you. I show a little thing on from the city of Sholo, 250-year record for rainfall in a 12-hour period. Yeah, we've had some rain. Damage to storefronts, things like that, you know, getting in through the doorways. So anyhow, so let me show you some pictures. It's picking up even more right now, and now kind of narrate the rest of it. So, see you guys soon. Road flooded. The water is flowing really nicely though. And then down here, there's a road down there, crosses over. Yeah, they're kind of flooded. Not too sure if you can see this, but this is the road. Water's flowing through here. I just showed you that. But over here, all of this is flowing. Don't ever buy this piece of land. I don't know if you can see it, but I can hear it. Even, where's my finger? Even right back up in there. On the other side of that tree. So yeah, it doesn't look bad, but it's like about a foot deep in the center there. These are the pictures of one of the roads near my property. This is the one leading into my property. Just showed you a video on those. These here I got from Facebook. You see half the road is gone. I have no idea where that is. This is from a friend of mine. He's got a property nearby, and this is what it looks like. his entire property has just like a foot of water all over the place. Now I only got a few pictures, but you can kind of get an idea of what it's like. Look at that. His little walkway just underwater. Entire property. This is just give you an idea. We expect more rain over the next week, so lots of fun. So this here is just put out by Sholo. Looks like that they got 2.5 inches of rain in just 1 hour, and like almost 4.5 in like a 12-hour period, and that's like a 250-year high for that time period. So yeah, a lot of the rain. That's just what happened on that one particular event. You know, when you start to add up everything else and all the different communities in the area, like I said, some areas had evacuation, so pretty tough. Hopefully you guys are dry. My water damage isn't any worse than what it was. My road's a little more worse condition. It's washed out more, but I got a good base, so we're okay there. But that's about it. See ya. Bye. Have fun.